If you guys are having your online business, then branding that business on social media is too much important nowadays. Because as you guys already know that there are some cool social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest, and these kind of platforms are actually having a good audience. So if you're doing your online business, like that business can be any business. Like if you're a fitness trainer and selling your trainings online, if you're a business coach and selling your course online, or if you're an online seller selling your products online, then you must need to work on your branding side. Like here the branding means you must need to create the social media pages for your brand and keep posting some stuff regarding your brand on your social media pages, so people or audience who can be actually a good customer for you can actually reach out to you from these kind of social media platform, so they can be your customer and you'll get the business from social media. And social media posting is free of course. Like I'm not saying here to start running paid ads for your social media platform, but in short you can just simply sign up on all of those social media platforms, create the business pages for your business and keep uploading content. So after 1 or 2 months, when you start uploading the content like images, posts or videos or maybe reels regarding your business, and in all of those content you are explaining like what your business is about and how that business can be helpful for the people. And while you're posting on social media, creating posts with proper tags or keyword research, then the algorithm of these social media platforms can actually find you a good and potential customer from which you can just actually make a lot of money online. But while you're doing social media marketing, the main challenge that comes to you is you are creating the content. Like for example, you are creating some videos for TikTok, so that will be your content and you can actually post that same video on Pinterest, the same video on Instagram and same video on Facebook and YouTube as YouTube Short. So here you need to have a deep understanding of all of these platforms. Like the audience for TikTok is different, the audience for Instagram is different, and the audience for Facebook is different. So in short, you're basically presenting the same content, same type of content to different audience with the help of different platform. So at that point, you must need to have a tree, like a tree on which they can actually find all of your social media profile links, like your website link, your Facebook link, your TikTok link, Instagram or YouTube link. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a tool which is a paid tool, but you can actually access the free version as well, and that will do everything for you. And the name of this tool is Linktree. Yes, this is a free and a paid tool from which you can actually generate your link, your custom link for your brand or business, and on that link there will be a link tree, and that tree will contain your name, your introduction, like what you do, what your business do, what your business logo is, and you can actually put the links for your website and all of your social media platform, like from which you want your audience or your customers to contact you. Like you can just put your chat link there, you can just put your WhatsApp link there, you can just put your email here, or even put your website, social media links, TikTok link, Pinterest link or YouTube link. So in that way, when someone will click on your landing page, your link tree, so they will be able to know everything about your business if they are new on your page and they don't know anything about your business. So I basically recommend everyone to create a Linktree link for their business. So that will be a free landing page for you, and that will be a super amazing landing page which can bring you a lot of potential customer for your business in future. So let's see how we can create that Linktree and how that actually can help you to grow your business. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Google right now, and if you want to sign up on your Linktree profile page for free, you can just type linktr on Google, and then you'll be able to find this link, linktr.ee, and if you want to sign up on that tool, you need to click on this first link. But before signing up, let's just read the description about this tool which Google provides us. Like Linktree is a freemium social media referring landing page developed by Alex Zakaria. Like it's a freemium tool. Like freemium means you can just get the paid subscription as well, or you can just use it for free. And this is a social media reference landing page. So from this tool, you can actually create your free landing page just like I have created. So now I can just first show you my landing page, and then I'll show you how I create it and how you can actually create that landing page. So here if you go on this link, linktr.ee/ways2sellonline, so there you will be able to see my personalized landing page. And you can see that this is my personalized link, and this link is basically super easy to type. So let's suppose I'm chatting with someone on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok or WhatsApp, and they basically want to know about my business. So I don't have to explain them each and everything about my business. I can just simply type this link, linktr.ee/ways2sellonline, and send them that link. So when they will click on that link, they will get landed on this page. This is my personalized landing page, and here they will find my profile picture, my business name, which is Ways to Sell Online, my description, like what I do, and here if they go down, they will be able to see my website link, my YouTube link, Instagram, support my work link, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and when they go at the end, so they will be able to see these icons. So from these icons, they can just click on any icon and land on my personalized page. Like if they want to watch my YouTube videos, they can just click here, and if they want to know about my TikTok page, like what kind of content I post and what I actually do, so they can just click on this TikTok page, so they will be able to land on this page. Just like that, if they want to send me an email, they can just click on this email, and then they will be able to send me an email. So that's how this tool works, and this is a super powerful free tool which can help you a lot in getting more and more business, because it will make it super easier for your customer to contact you, like to contact you on WhatsApp, to contact you on email. They can chat with you for their query, and they can actually land on your website or on your social media pages, so they can actually learn more about your business. So the more they learn about your business, the chances for them to become your customer will be super high. So by the help of this kind of landing page, you basically have to do nothing. You need to create and design this landing page once in 30 or 40 minutes, and then whenever you want to explain your business to someone else, you can just give them that link, and that's it. It will be a 2 to 5 second task, and then they will learn about your business by themselves, and you don't have to put any effort. So basically this is the magic of that tool. So now, as I've already explained you like how this tool works and how it can help you to grow your business, now let me just show you how you can actually sign up on the Linktree and how you can actually create the same page like this. So in order to sign up on the Linktree, you can just go on Google, click on Linktree and click on this first page. So after clicking on that first page, you will be able to land on this main page from where you can just sign up on Linktree with your Google account, like Gmail account, and then you will be able to see your dashboard from which you can just add your profile picture, your name, and you can just put your theme and then put some buttons. So you can just put your profile links on those buttons. So here you can see that we are on the main page of Linktree, and here it says everything you are in one simple link in a bio. So they are basically saying that if you sign up on Linktree and put the Linktree link on your bio, so your customer will know each and everything about you and your business. So on the top right corner, we can just click on this sign up for free if you're here for first time. But as you guys already know, I am already having my Linktree page, so I can just click on login. So after clicking on login, it will take me to this page. So here it is asking for my link or username. Like in this case, it's Ways to Sell Online. So I can just type Ways to Sell Online and type my password and click on login. So after clicking on login, I will be able to see my Linktree dashboard just like that. So you can see that on the right side, I can just see the display of my landing page, and on the left side, you can see there is an option for add a link. And when I go down, I can see all of my link on my page, like my website link, my YouTube link, my Instagram, support my work, and so on. So it's super easy. You can just click on this add a link, and then in the URL section, you can just put your link and click on add, and then give a title to that link. As you can see here, this is my YouTube link. So basically I go on my YouTube channel, grab that link, and then come here on Linktree, click on add link and paste my YouTube link there. And after adding that link, I just put the title for that button as a YouTube. So by doing that, that link was embedded into that button called YouTube. So when someone click on this YouTube button, they will be able to land on my YouTube page. So in that way, you can just keep creating buttons, keep adding links, and keep making this landing page more and more longer. So you can just give more information about your business to your customers. So in that way, you can just add links. And if you want to change a profile picture, change your description, so for that, you can just click on this appearance button. And then from here, you can just update your title, your bio, and your image. So on the top, you can just see these 4 buttons: links, appearance, analytics, and settings. So from links, you can just add links. You can just update your profile picture, bio, and name. And from analytics, you can just see like how many people are visiting your links every day, how many of them are male, how many of them are females, and from which part of world they're actually visiting your profile. So you can see that in past 7 days, I just got 21 people view my page and 3 people click on the links, and the CTR, like click-through ratio, is 14.29%. Like if 100 people visit my profile, then 14 out of those 100 clicks on the links and land on my social media pages. And if we go down, we can see all of that stats here. So you can see that this is a super cool feature in this free tool. So if you're not using the Linktree to grow your business and to set up your profiles, then you're leaving too much money and too much audience and too much potential customer on the table. So right after watching this video, go there, sign up for your Linktree profile, put your brand name there, and make a tree of all of your social media profiles so your visitor, your customer can actually know about your business, and then they actually buy a service or product so you can expand your business and you can actually make more money. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.